I'm sharing here the video. This video is the introduction of the interface Microsoft Office. Here I introduce the Microsoft Office Word document, the Excel worksheet, and the Microsoft PowerPoint. At first, I click on the Microsoft Word document or MS Word. The Office application is using here 2016 version. So when I click on the icon of Microsoft Word, this interface will be appeared. At the top, there is a file, home, text, design. These are called the tab, or someone called these are the ribbons. So if I click on the home or the insert tab, the corresponding options related to the insert tab will be come. And then the design, here is the options, layout, reference, mapping, and so on. At starting, we see the home page. These are the home page. When the tab is selected, it will be prominent at different color rather than the others. So home, if you want to write some text here like welcome to MS Word, just like simple as that. Now you need to increase or change the font style. Here is the font. Any font you may select, and the font size. You may apply the text color and so on. Different type of style and the formatting you may apply on the text that you have written over the screen or the blank page. And after completing all of the work, you have to save the page, unless it will be lost. When you reopen or like to reopen or use the further procedure, you never find out the written or any work that you have done on your Microsoft Word. So for that reason, you have to save the document. So here is different ways to save the document. At the first, number one, I have to save this document from the file tab. Left top, here is a file. So I click on the file. Here is the option. You can see the save and the save as. And the first one is save. Your document will be saved. Now number two, again go to the file and to the save as. Click here. Save as. Here is a little bit different from the save and the save as. Save. Wherever your document is, it's save and all the changes will be saved on that document on that particular place. But when you select the save as, here you have the option and a choice to which document or any other location you want to save your document for your further use. Like I like to save this document like my desktop. So after click on the save as, here is the option. This PC, yes, I want to save this document for my PC. So this PC, I select this PC. Now see the options. Desktop, G drive, downloads, and so on. Here you see the drive option. Documents, any other folder that already exists on your PC or any driver, but I want to save it on my desktop. That's why I click on the desktop. A dialog box will appear where I have to give the file name and the save as type as an input. I'm giving the file name new doc and selecting the desktop and the folder Office application. Here is the save as type. It will be Word document. Word document extension is DOC. That means Word document. Now open and save. So the text over the document will be saved. And now the third option is that once you have saved at your preference location, but now you don't need to again to save the document for the particular location. Rather, you will do that only press Ctrl S from your keyboard. Ctrl S. The document will be saved rather than you have to go the file option, then save or the save as. Just you press from your keyboard Ctrl S. Ctrl S. So document will be saved. Now check it. On our desktop, we'll show it will be saved or not. I'm crossing. Here is my desktop and my office applications. I saved as new document. Yes, there is a new document. Just click, double click to open it. Now see the document, the text I wrote. Yes, the text saved here. After completing your task, simply at your right top, here is the cross button from exiting Microsoft Word. Close it. Now after that, I will introduce you the Microsoft Excel worksheet. The Excel worksheet, these are the icon, just double click to reopen. These are the interface of Microsoft Excel worksheet. The page appearing on the screen, this is called the worksheet. Worksheet and title like file, home, insert, page layout, these are the called ribbons, similar to the Microsoft Word interface. If you need to work with another sheet, from the bottom of our left, here is a plus icon. If you click on the plus icon, new sheet will be generated. New sheet will be generated like this. Okay, come on the sheet 1. Here is one cell. These are the cell in worksheet. Each cell, here each cell is identified a unique address. Like I need to know this address, this cell address. Each cell is identified as address. I'm zooming it. Now, this yellow color highlighted box, I need to know the address. In that case, first of all, we have to observe the column number or the column. After the column number, then we have to see the row number. So column, up of the box, here is the numbering alphabet. These are the column. It denotes the column. So here is F. The column is F. And then we have to observe the row number. Here's the numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the numbering. It denotes the row number. That means the yellow color cell is identified a unique address that is called, at first option is column, so F, and the row number is 5. So its address will be F5. Now I'm writing here few numbers like 100, 100. And this number, I want to reflect another cell, like this cell. I'm applying a color, different color, like red color. Now I want to see that this number will be reflected on that cell. It's very simple. At first, identify the address of this box or the cell number, that is F15. F15. So go to the cell, destination cell, just type the equal and the number I want to replace on that cell this number address. The number is F5. So I type here F5, or just you simply click this cell number and then press enter. It will be changed automatically. If I change this number like 200 and press enter, it will be changed automatically. Since the dynamic changes in Microsoft Excel worksheet. Similar way, after completing our task, we have to save our Excel worksheet. So left top, here is a file, save and save as. When you complete your work, just right top, there is a close button, press and it will be closed. And now I will introduce you Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Just double click to open. Again, file, home, insert, interface. These are the interface similar to the Microsoft Word and the Excel. In Microsoft PowerPoint, we will work on this slide. In Excel, we work on the Excel worksheet. In Microsoft Word, we work on the sheet or the document, but Microsoft PowerPoint, all the work will be presented into slide. So click on the slide, slide, slide. And we may add here few animations and the transitions and slides and different kind of design that is not available on our Word document or the Excel document. For the any presentation purpose, we always prefer to present our work into Microsoft PowerPoint. It is designed basically for the presentation. I'm writing here a few text. Always remember one thing. While we save our Word document in Microsoft Word, the extension of the Word document will be DOC. When we work with the Microsoft Word, this document extension will be DOC. While we work on the Excel worksheet, the extension will be .excel. While working on the PowerPoint presentation, its extension will be .ppt. Okay, I'm going back to my work. I'm adding some animations. Like this. Now the slides are prepared and click on the slideshow. You'll see the difference. The changes are, the animations are added here. Yes, the animations are added here. After that, end of the slideshow, blank page will be appeared. Now end the show. And when you need to save the document, PowerPoint slide, just go to the left top file. Here is a save and save as. Save means the PPT PowerPoint from any drive or any location. All the documents, all the changes will be set on that. And when you save as, when you click on the save as option, here is a possibility that you have a choice on different location. You may save your PPT slide. After completing the work, then just you close the button to exit the PowerPoint slide.